Back when I was in preschool, my teacher gave me 2 secrets to getting ahead in life. Either buy Bitcoin or start an OnlyFans. And boy, did option number 1 pay off. Guys, within the last few hours, Ethereum has broken to a new all-time high and is currently retesting that weekly candle close from back in 2018. And there is not a single doubt in my mind that the massive run-up we've seen in Ethereum over the past few weeks and months is going to look even smaller than this little blip in Ethereum's price chart of what's to come in the year 2021. And looking at the Ethereum paired with Bitcoin chart, this is a 4-year chart showing Ethereum's consolidation, and the only trajectory I see for Ethereum here breaking out against Bitcoin is to the upside. Know that Ethereum is most likely not going to be stopping anywhere near its all-time high of about 1,400, right? Could Ethereum be 5 digits in this next 12 months? A lot of people are saying so. A lot of very intelligent, well-read, well-researched people are saying so, and I tend to believe them because I know how this market works. With basically everybody in the space agreeing that both Bitcoin and Ethereum are absolutely essential for your long-term holds, we have a lot to look forward to. Welcome back, everyone. I'm your host, Sally Savage, and we're going to be talking about both Bitcoin and Ethereum today and what exactly is going on, because as Ethereum just reached a new all-time high within the last few hours, both Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of this market has actually had a little bit of a pullback. So what is in store, guys? It's actually incredibly exciting, and we're going to be dumping into what is to come to end out the month January and beyond. So if you hold Bitcoin or Ethereum, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and make sure to turn on those post notifications so you get absolute updated when we post these webisodes. Make sure to leave your comment below for a hardware wallet or equivalent in BTC or T4, and without any further ado, let's dump in. A full piggy bank is the best kind of piggy bank, guys. So if we start here with Bitcoin's chart, over the last few hours, we actually have seen a rejection on the point of control of this 4-hour chart, basically in this battle zone that Bitcoin has been in for quite a while now, right? Over a week, going all the way back to January 10th. We've been in the battle zone for Bitcoin, consolidating very nicely, and that is what has allowed Ethereum to actually touch on those all-time highs. But guys, we have so much to come, but this is just a small little taste of what the year 2021 should optimally bring for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of the market. But guys, before we go any further, I just want to emphasize how critical it is, if you're invested in crypto, how critical and absolutely necessary it is for Bitcoin and Ethereum to be a key part of your portfolio if you are invested. There really has not been a decisive move one way or the other yet. We're still consolidating within this triangle. It is still possible that we could revisit the top of this around 38,000 US dollars, which again would still be perfectly within this pattern. But we most likely are going to see a culmination of this very soon. The longer it trades sideways, the better, honestly, for a lot of these alts. But as you can see, as I'm recording this, we're literally at the very bottom of this triangle as I'm recording here. We got rejected exactly at this point of control. When you zoom out and factor in the entire triangle, you see it kind of recalculate there to roughly about 37,300, and that's where we got that recent rejection. We couldn't get a 4-hour close above it. We, as you can see, literally got rejected right there, and it's not the first time. We've had many candles get rejected right at about 37,300. We've had wicks get rejected exactly at that same level you can see there on the chart. So now, as you can see, where we have actually bounced on this first 4-hour candle that just opened about an hour ago was exactly at the bottom of this triangle. So again, guys, over the next 24 hours, I just want to put out a warning because nobody knows for sure which way this is going to break out. But if it does break out to the downside, get ready to be extremely bullish over the next week, because any downside move where we actually get a significant break and actually break lower is most likely going to be, in my opinion, your last chance to accumulate Bitcoin around the $30,000 and potentially in the $20,000 range. I personally think this is going to be one of your last opportunities to get Bitcoin probably around $27,000 to $32,000 per Bitcoin if we do get a break down here. It's always possible we could get a break up, but I think it would be healthier if we maybe dipped our toes back down to 30,000, and if Bitcoin could get below 30,000, I think that would be healthier. But again, I just don't even think that we would get below 30K, even though the breakdown target here is roughly around like 26,000 US dollars, which is exactly right around this 50-day moving average for Bitcoin. Again, that's personally, I think, what the lowest Bitcoin could go, and you have to be watching over the next, pretty much you have to be watching all the time because this could happen at any point. And as you can see, we're really truly running out of time. This only goes maximum like another 3 days to like January 22nd. So this most likely is going to have a big volatile swing either to the upside or the downside within the next 3 days maximum, most likely before January 22nd. It could happen today. It could actually happen moments away from now. But the thing you want to be prepared for, because if we actually do get a breakdown here, I personally think this may be the best opportunity to long Bitcoin that we've had in quite a long time. Okay, we're on day 9 of basically just hugging on this 21-day moving average, so we always have to be prepared for a drop down, which would be extremely bullish mid and long term. Amazing place to accumulate Bitcoin if we get here. Again, we could break to the upside. I just personally think it's a little less likely, but a confirmation break to the upside would be roughly around 38,300-ish, and a confirmation drop here would be basically if we break 35.7, and the huge signal would be breaking 34,000. If we break 34,000, then I think that is when we'll see a pretty big swing. So we're still decently above that. And guys, as we showed you, this symmetrical triangle on the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing goes all the way back. It began basically the end of 2016. This to me is the most exciting pattern on any chart long term, because this could still take a few months to play out, even though we kind of see it breaking out right now. So with that being said, I would be full of anxiety if I did not have a position in Ethereum because of what I expect Ethereum to do at literally any moment. Technically, this could take a fair amount of time, but the writing on the wall, as far as I'm concerned, is already on the wall, and it's very clear that Ethereum is most likely going to be at least 5-10% of a Bitcoin in value at some point in this market cycle. And there's not a doubt in my mind that the current pump we've seen over the past few weeks with Ethereum is going to look most likely even smaller than this pump that we had back in the middle of 2017, when Ethereum went from $20, even less than $20, to over $400 in that short burst, consolidated for a few months, and then went from $400 to $1,400. This is the literal beginning of Ethereum's pump. And if we go to the entire cryptocurrency market cap, guys, again, this could still be a few weeks away ultimately, but this is the area we really want to watch for, breaking $500 million for the entire alt cap, everything minus Bitcoin. It is coming sooner than you might think. And with all that being said, Ethereum was also able to do what it did today, and Bitcoin actually had a nice little rally that was short-lived. Currently, it's kind of pulling back because the DXY did exactly something we talked about, getting rejected off the 50-day moving average here. So again, this is going to be critical. We're going to see this play out this week, the battle between the 50-day moving average and the 21-day moving average for the DXY. Not a lot of room here, and we're really going to get a very good sense of how strong this momentum to the upside is for the DXY, or if in fact we are going to be ultimately heading lower to these levels down here of about 88, and after that basically free fall. And guys, with that being said, on CNBC, the Ethereum blockchain began a major upgrade late last year called ETH 2.0. Ether investors say it will make the network faster and more secure. The Ethereum technology has undergone a tremendous amount of development since reaching its 2017 high. Nicholas Pelikanos, head of trading at firm NEM, told CNBC, at that time the new capital investment in the space was largely speculative and for functionalities that were still in development, but now a lot of these functionalities actually exist, right? We fast forward from the end of 2017, January of 2018 to January of 2021. Now there's actually a lot of working products and a lot of working projects on Ethereum that simply didn't exist even back when Ethereum hit $1,400 US. Yet the speculative interest in Ethereum is still actually quite low, and this raises the question that now Ethereum is crossing its all-time high, what price will it reach in this bull cycle? He says here, I believe that number is a lot higher than the current price. Predictions ranging from 2,500 to 10,000 to over 20,000. Nobody knows for sure, but I just want to say I'm glad I'm involved in this. I'm glad that I have Ethereum because I do not want to be missing out on this. Or also, guys, make sure to hit that like, subscribe if you absolutely love gainers as well. Make sure to drop your comment below to enter for the giveaways. And if you guys are interested in trading, make sure to take advantage of our Bybit bonuses below. Experienced traders only, and if you want to support the channel, but you can get up to an additional $625 for trading on Bybit, limited time only. Instructions are in the comments.